Whoa! Whoa! Shit! Me! That was deep!
Not always good to go to the side.
Am I gonna regret this?
I don't know.
Okay.
No?
Wait, they're looking? I'm gonna regret this. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, don't let it! She stall again? Yeah.
Shit! Fuck me! That was deep!
Stall again?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Steve, go back. He's gotta go backwards. Yeah. He's just... Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, winch. It's good, it's good.
It's gonna go in his gas tank.
Yeah,
Yeah, has to.
should hold it.
It stalled or you shut it off?
No, it's stalled. Oh dude, that sucker rolled pretty good.
His snorkel went under. Pull your seat, get your...
Is it falling forward or what's going on here?
What's that? Probably they have to hold it, right?
Underneath the disc.
Yeah, that's where his brakes are. He's got external...
That's why these brakes
Fucking,
never fucking go wrong, man. He's got two up here.
I put my fucking skid plate on all wrong. Just had to put the bike on its ass.
Yeah.
Why don't we have it up in a tree?
What tree you want to grab onto?
Hang on.
Steve, grab that big stick right there.
Hang on, I got the air box.
Water in it? Dry. That's fucking good.
Bugger.
Okay, she's coming down a bit.
Okay. Oh, you guys are crazy. She's heavy. She won't hold that.
Yeah, fucking right, well.
It's better than the fucking...
Tim, it can only go forward. It's not gonna flip backwards.
Okay,
Brakes never fucking go wrong. Why don't we
Hang on, hang on.
Grab that big stick right there.
Hang on, I got the air box.
Is there water in it?
No, that's far.
You dry?
I don't know, I'm
It's dry. That's
trying to get the cap off. You bugger. Oh, jeez.
It's coming down a bit.
Okay. Oh, you guys are crazy. She's heavy, she won't hold that.
Very well.
Tim, it can only go forward. It's not gonna flip backwards.
What the hell? Okay, there's the bulb. Tell me if you can figure out how that fucking bulb comes off. It had I have a clamp
You
on.
need a screwdriver.
Huh?
Oh, God, right here, we're gonna be a bit.
Can you not pull this up and get at your...
No, that's my air. Well, I don't have the same air box you do.
Where's the air filter?
Under the, pull the cover off.
Way in there though.
Yeah, you need to get at that.
This is the drain right here.
Yeah, you either need to just pair of pliers or...
We can't pull your cover off here?
Well, there might not be water inside, and that
Well,
might
that's...
be-
Hey, Tim.
There's no
Sorry,
water.
sorry,
we're
what?
good.
We can't pull the cover off?
Yeah, we can.
Oh my God, these guys are getting
Hey,
light.
brand new Can-Am fucking hose.
Yeah, some of the clips will be a bitch to get at. That's why I want to get to the
I want
drain.
to see if there's water in the hoses.
I'm just surprised that didn't just pop
There's
off.
the cable there.
Watch the cable. It's right there. I found it. I found it for everyone.
Yeah, she's got water in her. But that fucking, you think that'll twist open?
No, it doesn't twist. You gotta pry it off. Oh, yeah, you're fucked. You're fucked.
Yep.
No fucking.
Yeah, you're fucked.
The filter's garbage.
No, you can't run this machine.
No, the filter's garbage for sure. It's in the oil.
Yeah.
This is the engine side to snorkel?
No. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The deep side.
Yeah. Yep.
And all three of you went there?
No! Me and Tony did.
Fuck! No!
I had her on her side too.
She was fucking deep. Yeah,
Yeah, I had her.
This,
his whole fucking...
I was gonna say where your bike's right, but your bike's so far away. This only has one chamber, right?
What?
The airbox?
No idea.
Johnny, you might have to run and get that bike for you.
Yeah, you're fucked too. I don't think you have any PSI in there.
I thought you
I
put...
didn't undo the air side too.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to get at it anyways.
Yeah, well, this will slide up, right? Or just...
Well, there's a clip at the back. There's two clips at the back. They're nasty.
But this, can it come off, or is it bolted to the...
No, it comes off, just not easily.
No, okay. Pull this fucking sticker too. No, but you can pull this plug right off.
Yeah, just don't tear all the cabling.
Ah, so this sits like that. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I thought it went actually connected.
No.
Where's those pliers?
Ah, there's nothing in the CVT, shockingly.
But that's the other side, right?
Yeah.
That's not the side we need to be clear. I'd rather not.
Oh, what are you doing?
Gearbox.
Oh, that just pops right out.
Pops out?
Yeah.
Okay, here, you do it. What about the other one?
Like I said, there's other clips.
I already did undo the clip.
No, that just pops out too. Okay. Oh, you found the other clip? Okay. It's a bitch, yeah. There you go.
Oh yeah, you're fucked.
Yep.
You have to take this bolt off here.
Yeah, but what's the point? There's no point. Like, you're not starting this thing.
No, I'm just cleaning it out a bit.
Like, no, I mean, everybody wants to keep taking it apart. There's no point.
No.
Just trying to get the water.
It's got to be taken home, drained, and redone. And
Diesel fuel.
Yeah.
diesel fuel? What?
Yeah, empty all the
What?
oil out of it, fill it with diesel, run it for a couple minutes.
Never heard of that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you let it sit. Diesel floats, right? It'll push all the water to the bottom. So it comes up drain plug.
Drain plug. What drain plug? Oh, the oil drain plug. Okay.
Molested. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go back down having a beer. Well,
Whew, that was deep.
Go back to the truck anyways, mate.
starter. Kidding? Water hammer. Water hammer.
So shut off on its own?
No idea, dude.
When I watched a video of Paradox where he fucking
Oh yeah.
his fucking dipstick was crushed inside his fucking
Well, that'll be the same as Tim's right now. You should probably open your dipstick up a little bit.
We're gonna need the pliers.
Like I said, that video, the guy's dipstick was fucked. What are you gonna rebuild?
Water.
That's just water, dude.
Here,
No.
you can do it. It's your boy.
You just fucking drain her a couple times. You don't get the distant rain.
Oh, no, you're good.
It's good. He was moving on water in there.
Oh, son of a gun. That's oil. Fuck off.
Well, we do have the bike up pretty high right now, so everything's sitting flat.
Yeah.
We can drop the bike now.
Yeah, let's drop the bike. Yeah, you might want to. Because I'm just going to let this drop.
You serious?
Won't hurt it. Okay, ready? Okay, now pull your dipstick.
Won't hurt it. Crunch. Fuck off. I think it died just at the right time.
You might. Well,
How's the oil look still?
What's the trick to get this thing not to start? You have to hold the throttle all the way in, right?
If it's like the Sea-Doos, yeah.
Yeah. So there's no ignition.
You just want to crank it?
With the dipstick out, maybe, yes.
How did it look right now?
oil looks good.
Beautiful, which just scares me. Fuck off, you
You're
assholes.
not going to run it with that air filter.
No, that's the problem. We need a...
There it goes.
Now watch. Now start, you bitch.
Yeah, really, eh?
Okay, so, and the drain is out. Yes. Okay. Let's make sure she starts. My mirror's dirty. Shit, where am I gonna put you? Stop biting me, fucker. That should do it. Seriously, go bite someone else. And fucking garbage, of course. Forgot the garbage. There we go.
Seriously, if you want to bring it back to the truck, load her up.
Why, cause you're fucked too?
I don't care about that. I don't want you to run this fucking thing and kill it, eh?
Oh, I'm not going in the water.
You know what I mean? But this is a road just up here.
Yeah. I'm not too worried about it now.
No?
All I saw was oil.
Because we did have some dusty spots and you don't got an air filter.
Oh yeah, true, eh?
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna try again. We lightened it by taking the air filter out.
Yeah, it should go deeper now.
I don't want you to do it.
Yeah, true, eh?